Hey guys, what's up? It's Dan Jackson from Ultimate Home Gym, and today guys, we're putting together our ultimate home squat rack. I'm gonna walk through the procedure of how to put this thing together so you guys can get this set up in your home and get yourself squatting again. All right, let's get into it. All right, so first things first, tools. So what we're gonna use today is I got two ratchets, both fitting a 17 mil socket on both. I'm gonna be using these to get the nut and the end of the bolt to come together and tighten up. But what I have here is I have my bottom frame all set up. So these two pieces, I placed the rubber ends, you'll find these in your kit, on these two pieces at the beginning because I was able to, if I needed to, drive to the ground a little bit and use some leverage to get these on because they can be a bit sticky. Now the pieces I'm talking about, they're distinguished by 4 holes on each side, 2 in the back, 2 in the middle. On the flip side, 2 in the back, 2 in the middle, okay? So there's 2 pieces like that, 1 on each side, that's your floor. So this is the back cross member that sits on the floor. It's got 2 holes that'll fit, obviously, into the 2 holes that are on those base supports. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put those together right now. Let's go. 2 bolts, 2 washers, 2 nuts, okay? So now that we have the base set up, next is to put on the arms that are where it's going to hold the actual barbell. All right. So let's grab one. What I've done is I've already actually put together the bottom half. So I've got 2 of those triangle type brackets. I've got 2 bolts running through it. Now, easier to put these on at the beginning because then you can just slide it directly on to the base and then put on 2 bolts instead of trying to tie up 4 bolts, which can be hard because you do have to hold this in place while you put the bolts on. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the 2 bolts initially first. 2 bolts, 2 washers, and 2 nuts. I'm going to walk over here. So now we have my 2 posts up. We're ready to put the top cross membrane on, top post on for your pull-ups and just to help secure the rack essentially, but you can definitely do pull-ups on this. So let's get this guy out. Now, if you're doing this alone, here's the trick. Grab 2, pop it through the hole first. Line that up. Keep this connected while you walk over here. Draw this one through. Boom. Now you have it resting so you can work better, trying to hold it up and drive it in. So I'm going to grab what I need here. Okay, there you have it. We've got our squat rack. Yeah. Okay, next thing to do. Okay, bar catches. This goes on each side. Nice there. Nice there. Okay, so the bar's gonna go. Now, if you ordered these, okay, these are safety catches here. They can go anywhere you want them, depending on what you're doing. These assist with rack pulls, bent over rows, deadlifts. You do push-ups off them, anything you want off them, so they're assisting in that. Safety racks as well for squatting. You can lift them to make sure that they're in a good spot. If you do end up having to drop the bar, they can catch them. Okay, there you go. This is the Ultimate Home Gym Squat Rack, ready for use. Thanks for watching, guys.